And now at noon, NASA's next Artemis mission has a crew. In the last half hour, the 4 astronauts assigned to Artemis III were unveiled at the Johnson Space Center. Megan Reyna was at that announcement. And Megan, what are we learning about these 4?
Well, they are made up of 3 Americans and 1 Italian pilot. Each one took this stage and expressed their gratitude in front of a packed auditorium. Now, these 4 are excited to continue the mission back to the moon. However, they themselves will not be landing on the moon. Instead, they'll be completing important tasks in Earth's orbit. So let's talk about these 4. This includes mission specialists Andre Douglas and Frank Rubio, Italian pilot with the European Space Agency, Luca Parmitano, and Commander Randy Bresnik, and backup crew member Bob Hines will be training with them. Now in 2027, they will launch on board the Orion capsule and practice docking with a commercial lunar lander in orbit around Earth. This is a crucial exercise before astronauts attempt the real thing, very similar to what we saw with Apollo 9 in 1969. NASA will use a lander from SpaceX or Blue Origin or both. Now take a listen to what the mission's commander had to say about the significance of Artemis III.
Spaceflight is hard, and that's why the most important Artemis mission will always be the next Artemis mission, where we are doing flight tests on every single flight, incrementally determining the flight envelope, expanding it, proving out capabilities, and making the operational procedures that we have more and more precise. Because every single mission we will do after this will be more challenging and more complex.
So if everything is successful with Artemis III, the next goal is to land on the moon in 2028. And then they have eventually the big goal of building that lunar base in 2029, starting that construction rather in 2029. Now, critical missions like this one will set up the success for the following missions. Coming up later today, we'll have more from these 4 astronauts who, again, are just so honored to be a part of making history here at NASA. Live from the Johnson Space Center, Megan Reyna, KHOU 11 News.
An honor, I'm sure. Megan, thank you for covering it. We really appreciate it. It's so Houston-like, right?